Hello! Today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you this brand new stuff here. This here is the loose-tailed LUSTALED E27 socket lamp with a switch, built-in switch, with 30 centimeter flexible Guineg lamp, with 360 degrees adjustable socket lamp with a 5-watt 1-watt LED bulb included. And you can replace it by any E27 socket lamp and bulb as you need it, as you like it. That's good for the kitchen, for the bedroom, the bedside table, and so on. The 30 centimeter long flexible gooseneck can be brought stabilizly into any position and holds them reliable. Perfect as an adjustable reading lamp for the socket at the desk, the bedside table, or a target lighting in the kitchen and workshop. This socket lamp comes with an E27 socket. This is a complete set including an energy-saving 5-watt LED lamp with 3000 K for Kelvin 1 watt. Color light. The standard plug fits in any socket. Immediately ready for use as a practical lamp for a socket in a hallway, garage, office, or bedroom. The double E27 metal socket is heat resistant up to 150 degrees Celsius and ideal for continuous use. This makes this socket lamp the perfect robust work light for the kitchen, home office, and for the workshop. The clearly visible red switch directly on the plug allows the convenient switching on and off without changing the socket. We simply plug in and immediately light if required. Especially safe and practical also for children's room and storage rooms too. Whether as a focus reading lamp, an atmospheric wall lamp, or a flexible work light, this socket lamp is the ready-to-use solution for the bedroom, office, kitchen, and more. We simply plug it in and enjoy an ideal light anywhere where a power socket is. 30 centimeter type plug. It's not dimmable. It's a pure 5-watt included light. A G80 light. This is a big bulb with 360 lumen. That's enough. The socket is equipped with a switch that allows a convenient operation at any time. And the 30 centimeter 360 degrees flexible metal hose adjustable to the perfect lighting angle, according to our requirements, of course. And it is compatible with the multiple E27 light bulbs. It is included a 5-watt LED bulb, yes. But you can also get another light into it, as you need it, as you like it. And the dimensions are not so big, eh? The socket area is 69 millimeter in height and 43 millimeter in width. This is 1.69 inches to 2.72 inches. And the gooseneck is 16.88 inches long. This is nearly 430 millimeter. And the bulb itself, it is an 80 millimeter bulb. These are 3.15 inches. That's cool for plant lighting, party RGB lighting, basement lighting, painter's lighting, office lighting, where you need light. This is a good solution for your light problem. Light everywhere, because if there is a power socket, you can attach a light into it. This all is possible with the loose-tailed E27 socket lamp with included switch at the socket. Wow! Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Sun Sun!